In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom token to UniSwap. We'll walk through the exact flow you'll see in the UniSwap app so you can confidently locate a token that isn't listed by default and swap for it without confusion. Before we start, it helps to have a compatible wallet connected and a little native currency on the network you're using to cover gas fees. First, open the UniSwap app in your browser. This takes you to the main landing page. From here, click Trade to open the swap interface. This is where all the action happens and where you'll set what you're selling and what you're buying. On the sell side of the swap box, choose the token you want to trade away. Click Select a token and pick the asset you already hold, like the network's native coin or a stable coin. Choosing the right sell token matters because it determines which pools and routes Uniswap will use to find the best price. Now enter the amount you want to sell in the amount field. You'll see a quote appear as soon as there's a valid pair and liquidity. If you plan to manage gas better, leave a small balance rather than selling literally everything in your wallet. Next, switch to the buy side to define what you want to receive. Click Select Token again. This time we're going to add the custom token. In the token search box, paste the token's contract address from a trusted source. Searching by name alone can surface imposters, so the contract address is the most reliable way to find the exact asset. Check that the symbol and number of decimals look correct and that you're on the intended network. When the token appears in the list, click on it. Uniswap may display a notice for tokens not on its default list. Review the warning, verify the contract one more time if needed, and proceed only if you're confident it's the right token. Back on the swap screen, take a moment to review the quote details: the expected price, route, fees, slippage tolerance, and the minimum received. If the market is volatile, you can wait a moment for the quote to stabilize or adjust your slippage carefully if you understand the risks. When everything looks good, click Swap. Your wallet will prompt you to authorize the transaction. After you confirm, wait for the network to process it. Once it's done, you should see the custom token in your wallet. If it doesn't display automatically, you can add the same contract address to your wallet's token list for visibility. And that's it. You've added a custom token to Uniswap and completed a swap safely and efficiently.